Within the beauty of green fields, a village is brimmed with skilled women who aspire to bring a change in their lives. But the block that is stopping them from making their dreams a reality is the lack of easy and affordable finance. Kuldeep Maiti observed the potential and dreams of these women that were waiting to unfold. He began paving a path that bridges the gap between traditional banking and villagers. VFS, the catalyst of change. A microfinance that comes with a vision to empower women in rural India. By providing an accessible financial aid, since 1982, VFS mapped its journey as a village welfare society, with microfinance operations beginning from 1995. The idea behind VFS is to have fast and digital credit solutions. After opening its headquarters in Kolkata, VFS continues to spread across 278 branches in 15 states and 98 districts. But what external factors powered VFS to drive the microfinance market in India is valued at 10 lakh crore in 2022 and expected to reach 17 lakh crore by 2026. Here are the impressive numbers that are making microfinance grow. VFS comes in a similar foottrail with notable financial components, which are massive loan accounts, affordable average ticket size, unique borrowers, assets under management, with a nominal average cost of borrowing, low gross non-performing assets, and a reliable collection efficiency that keeps them moving to become a trusted financial aid. VFS has a robust plan in place to embark on a transformative financial journey for significant economic growth. But why is microfinance becoming the next big thing? Indian economy is poised to become the third largest economy by 2027. It's possible to achieve with microfinance because of higher interest margin due to removal of interest capping, wider customer segments under new guidelines resulting in easy finance, enabling wider digital penetration to attract potential banks and inorganic acquisitions. Today, at VFS, Kuldeep Maiti brings his team of board members and management to achieve their vision of empowering women and being financially independent, which leads to holistic financial change for an impactful future.